Color correction, skin balance. What I would like to say about the correction. There is a hint when you try to balance your skin in a movie or somewhere else, and you are told, the face is red, the face is yellow, it's all wrong. What to do and how to align it? The hint is very simple. As I said, the skin tone on these devices should be on this line. That's what it's for. It doesn't pass through the coordinates, but here. In many other editing programs, there is no such intersection of lines, but there is only one line on which the color of the skin tone lies. Therefore, it's the same everywhere and unchanged, because everyone knows that this is the skin tone. How to highlight the skin tone? We are moving to Effect Controls. There we use masks and opacity to highlight the area with the skin tone. Look at the graph. It's not critical, but a little directed. It may also be that the skin tone will be directed slightly towards red. How can we fix it? The easiest way to fix it is with my favorite tool, Fast Color Corrector. Now I only use it for this purpose, because all the other functions are in limited color. So I apply it here. Next, for more clarity, I will move the line here and look at the circle. Now I grab the outer radius and change the hue relative to the center. Look, I'm turning it. If you look at the graph, it will be moving in accordance with our movement, like the clock hand. And I rotate it so that our cloud of pixels align with this line. We have got the perfect skin tone. We just need to either remove the mask or simply disable opacity to see this. In principle, the difference is small and imperceptible, but when we compare with color before the correction, we will feel the difference. There was a slightly green shade, which we corrected to a more correct human color. Also, we can have the material on several cameras. For example, the skin is deathly pale on one camera and is reddish on another one. You don't have to balance on something white. You can navigate by the color of the face in this simple way. Most importantly, this line is applicable for every skin color. It can be applied to blacks, red skin, Asians, and Europeans. The color of the skin will always lie on this line. This is due to the color of the capillaries that feed the skin. It will be a little less or a little more, but it will still always lie on this line. Then the skin color is perceived as normal. If it deviates in the direction of red or yellow, then we will begin to perceive it as something strange. So, this is a great technique. Use it as needed and everything will be fine.